Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to reach a global audience and make your content accessible to visitors who speak different languages. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, and from this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website management area where you can configure your site settings. Now you'll see a preview of the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add multiple languages to. It's important to verify this before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. You want to ensure you're working on the correct project to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button. This button is typically found on the top part of your screen, right beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Wix Studio website editor screen, which is where all the magic happens for customizing and configuring your site's features and design elements. Now that you're in the Wix Studio Editor, start by locating the Site Settings icon. You'll find this on the top left part of your screen. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with various configuration options. This menu is your gateway to all the deeper settings that control how your website functions and appears to visitors. From this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Multilingual and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to manage different language versions of your website. A language dashboard will now appear on your screen. This dashboard gives you an overview of all the languages currently available on your site. On the top right part of this window, locate the button that says Add Language, marked with a plus sign, and click on it. You'll now see options to configure your new language. Start by selecting a language you wish to use from the drop-down menu. Browse through the available languages and choose the one that best fits your target audience. After selecting the language, you'll also need to select the flag icon that represents that language. This flag will help visitors quickly identify which language they're viewing. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to translate your website. You have two options here, either manually or through machine translation. Keep in mind that some Wix plans have a limit of only 5,000 words for machine translation. So if your site has more content than that, you might need to consider upgrading your plan or translating manually. Under the visibility section, you can set the new language to be hidden while you're still translating or make it visible right away if you're ready to launch it immediately. Once you've configured all these settings to your preference, click on the Add Language button at the bottom of this window. Your new language will now be added to your website and you can start translating your content to reach a wider audience. And that's it, you've successfully added multiple languages to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.